Apprenez en écoutant simplement. Des phrases en anglais. C'est ce que disent les Américains. Je t'emmène?
Give you a lift? Give you a lift? Give you a lift?
Passe un bon moment.
Have a good one. Have a good one. Have a good one.
Reste hors de mon chemin.
Stay out of my way. Stay out of my way. Stay out of my way.
Bien fait.
Well done. Well done. Well done.
Se perdre.
Get lost. Get lost. Get lost.
Tiens ta langue.
Hold your tongue. Hold your tongue. Hold your tongue.
Non, je ne peux pas dépasser ça.
No, I can't top that. No, I can't top that. No, I can't top that.
Ok, faites en deux.
Okay, make it two. Okay, make it two. Okay, make it two.
C'est bon d'entendre ta voix.
Good to hear your voice. Good to hear your voice. Good to hear your voice.
Faites-le à votre façon.
Have it your way. Have it your way. Have it your way.
Je m'en fiche.
I don't care. I don't care. I don't care.
J'en doute.
I doubt it. I doubt it. I doubt it.
Je t'entends.
I hear you. I hear you. I hear you.
Qu'en est-il?
What about it? What about it? What about it?
Découper.
Cut it out. Cut it out. Cut it out.
Je suppose que non.
I guess not. I guess not. I guess not.
Je dois partir maintenant.
I have to go now. I have to go now. I have to go now.
Ce qui donne?
What gives? What gives? What gives?
Tu m'as dit que ce n'était pas possible.
You told me it couldn't. You told me it couldn't. You told me it couldn't.
Je ne veux pas dire peut-être.
I don't mean maybe. I don't mean maybe. I don't mean maybe.
Ravi de vous parler.
Nice talking to you. Nice talking to you. Nice talking to you.
Avec plaisir.
With pleasure. With pleasure. With pleasure.
J'en ai besoin hier.
I need it yesterday. I need it yesterday. I need it yesterday.
C'est ton enterrement.
It's your funeral. It's your funeral. It's your funeral.
J'ai été là.
I've been there. I've been there. I've been there.
Comment ça va?
How are things going? How are things going? How are things going?
Il est temps de l'appeler une nuit.
Time to call it a night. Time to call it a night. Time to call it a night.
Fais-moi confiance.
Trust me. Trust me. Trust me.
Ai-je besoin d'en dire plus?
Need I say more? Need I say more? Need I say more?
Quel dommage.
What a pity. What a pity. What a pity.
Que puis-je faire pour vous?
What else can I do for you? What else can I do for you? What else can I do for you?
Question suivante.
Next question. Next question. Next question.
That's it. That video is now complete. By the way, I'm wondering if you can use any of these expressions in the comments. Let me know which one of these you would like to use. Thank you so much for learning English with me. If you liked this video, click on like to support the channel. I'll say, see you again for a new lesson on my YouTube channel. Bye.